Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can use Microsoft Excel in a very easy way. Today we shall discuss this topic in a detail. Friend, Microsoft Excel is a software which we use for making the worksheets. Now what is the concept of worksheet here? Basically friend, worksheet means that this is a type of a worksheet that here you can see the columns, okay, and these are the rows. These are the rows, okay, and these are the columns. Normally in the banks we have to store data in the form of worksheets. Also in the schools we have to make the worksheets. For example, let me give you an example here that for example I can make a very simple worksheet. For example, a student worksheet, for example, for math, uh, English, science. So these are the subjects, for example, and here is the uh, student, like student 1, student 2, and student 3. Okay, student 1 has marks uh, 60 in English 70, and in science 90, for example. Student 2 has a marks, for example, 70, uh, 89, and 78. Student 3 has a mark of for example 67, 78, and the 90. Okay, so this is a very simple worksheet in the Microsoft Excel. You can select those column and click on the control B, so you can make it bold. Okay, you can select control B and make it bold. Select like that. Okay, and here select the all borders. Okay, and in this way you can make a very simple sheet. Also what you can do, like you can change the colors of the here, like you can use different color, this and this. Okay, for example this and and this. Okay, and also what you can do, you can use the formula of sum here to just to calculate the sum of all these number. Okay, so 197 is the sum. uh, Same formula here. Okay, and same formula here. So friend, here you can see this is a very simple worksheet uh, in the Microsoft Excel. I hope you like this video. It's a very simple way I have tried to explain the concept of the worksheet here in the Microsoft Excel. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.